Hello student, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this math question. Mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 9 divided by 3 parentheses 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And in next step, 9 divided by 3 times 3 equals 9 and 9 divided by 9 equals 1. But trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now I am going to solve this question by correct method. According to the rule of PEMDAS, firstly we can solve parentheses. So 9 divided by 3 parentheses 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now here one multiplication and one division. We can solve it from left to right. So 9 divided by 3 equals to 3 and 3 times 3 equals 9. This is the final answer of this question. To see more maths video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.